Today what I want to spend a little bit of time on is how to actually use a resistance band. So these resistance bands are very inexpensive and we do stock them, but you also would find them in most gyms if you are a gym member. How to use a resistance band to strengthen up the muscles around the back of your upper shoulders and between your shoulder blades, which are really important muscles to strengthen because in so many people's cases they can be relatively weak compared to the muscles at the front, which tends to promote this rounded posture which is becoming super prevalent in today's society. So there are 3 simple exercises to do and we're going to go over them. So exercise 1 is gather the resistance band in front of you, and then if you want to make it a bit more difficult, wrap it around your hands once or twice just to shorten the distance, and then simply open your arms up nice and slowly until your arms are parallel to your body and then back to the front. What's really important with this exercise is that you do it nice and slowly and that you hold a squeeze at the end, preferably count to 5, a squeeze, squeezing the shoulder blades together, and then bring it back to the start point. My recommendation would be to do 10 of those. Ideally do 2 lots of 10 to be honest, every single day, because that'll really help to strengthen the rhomboid muscles, the ones between your shoulder blades and your spine. So the second exercise to help strengthen muscles around the back, your upper back, to help you with your upright posture involves the same resistance band. You want to stand on that resistance band as I am here, and then gather up the upper part in your arms and then lift up the front of your body. So lift up, make sure your elbows are always above your hands, and then just down to the start point. And then up, hold, a squeeze at the top, count of 5, and then straight back down. And then just keep going with that, count of 5 at the top. Slow movements are essential with these exercises. If you race through them, you may as well not be doing them. The slow movement is how you recruit more muscle activity. I would aim to do 10 of those and do 2 rounds of 10 every day. So with the third exercise, what you need to do is find an anchor point for the resistance band. So I've got a door handle just tucked behind here. So I've hooked this around the door handle, and then I'll walk back and get some tension on it and then perform the exercise. So with this exercise, it's quite similar to rowing. Just have your knees slightly bent and actually pull on the resistance band straight back to your chest. Hold a count of 5 at the end and then back. Straight up, nice and slow. Feel that squeeze again or at the back of the shoulders, shoulder blades, and back. And once again, I would recommend that you do 10 of these. Make sure you hold the count of 5 at the end. Do 10 of these, 2 lots of 10 each day if you want to take your posture and your upper back strength seriously. Hope you've enjoyed watching this video of 3 simple exercises to do to help with your posture.